So this evening we're going to be working at Portsmouth Academy with Year 7 children and parents to launch our 5PARK Maritime box. It was really important to us that they were part of our programme because actually Portsmouth Academy have been part of our 5PARK programme from the very beginning, and their students and this community have shaped the kind of direction it's gone into and contributed towards our successes. So this evening we have been doing the fruit cell battery activity where parents and young people have been using little limes and connecting them using electrodes to the lime lights to light up LEDs and think about solutions for generating electricity. Followed by an activity where we did some boat building using the make-do tools, and there were so many wild ideas, from ones that would answer solutions about collecting waste in the ocean, submersibles, luxury boats that would take us around the waters of the Solent, so many potential engineering skills developed by the young people.
It's amazing. I mean, it's mind-blowing. I just sit today, watch my son thinking through, getting it done, and I'm like, oh, does he have all this in him? I mean, that's what the STEM is about. It tries to bring innovation out of the kids and what they think, how they go about thinking it, what is working, what isn't working, which is really nice thing to see that our kids have what it takes to be the future leaders tomorrow.
I love STEM as a charity. Nora Watford, I find her inspiring, and I'm so pleased whenever my children get to listen to her and learn from her.
It was good to come off work and then see someone offer you a plate of pizza and a drink. Thank you, STEM. Thank you, Laura. Your talk is absolutely inspiring, and you literally have a way of magneting and getting the attention of people while you talk to understand. Thank you guys for what you do. We totally really appreciate it. This is my second one and it's been even better. Thank you.
The event tonight was really fun because even though we were learning, it was doing it in a fun way. So I'd definitely recommend this to other people.
Yeah, I would agree with her because even though it doesn't feel like learning, it really was, and it was just really fun. We got to use this really fun kit which had a lot of tools for us to use and a lot of cardboard. So I definitely think a lot of other people would enjoy it, just like we did.
I'm Megan, I'm a support worker for Motivate. Today we had Community come in, the workshop for ages 8 to 16. We had a lovely group of young people, some new ones as well, so it was really good for getting people engaged. We did some citrus batteries, and then we had a really fun sea vessel making workshop. We had submarines, we had cruise liners, we had everything. Some of these young people haven't discovered their passion, so it's really good to either foster that or ignite an interest for them. This workshop was 2.5 hours. Usually that is a really hard amount of time for young people to focus, to stay engaged. Tonight we had some young people who struggled to engage at times, and they were really into this activity. They loved it, they got really stuck in, and they won the competition. And that was lovely to see, because sometimes it can be quite difficult for them to engage. They're not always interested in what we have to offer. Although it was 2.5 hours long, the young people engaged from start to finish, and it was so amazing to see that and to have a company that could offer them that.
I do love coming to anything that's STEM related, especially for my daughter, because it's good for girls to get involved with STEM, but both my kids have a bit of an engineering lean, so it's really cool to be able to give them a chance to give it a go. And we don't have these tools at home, so it's really cool to try using different tools and different resources that we wouldn't have at home. I definitely wouldn't have the creativity to think of the activities, so it's been really cool to watch them put some of these things into action and give them a go. They've come up with some really good ideas actually, and it's just been really good for us also to be able to spend some time together, so it was nice that I could come along rather than just drop them off, and my kid just said, "This is really good, Mother," and sometimes, so you know, that's a good thing.
This project would not have been possible without the amazing partners that we worked with. We worked with a number of organisations to develop the activities and resources, but a particular massive thanks to our close strategic partners in South Hampshire College Group and Innovate UK.